It's 6:25 in Health Watch this morning. AFib, or atrial fibrillation, is the most common type of irregular heartbeat. As Fox News' Marilyn Deutsch reports, AFib affects as many as 6 million Americans every year, and if untreated, it can be deadly.
Feeling your heart race at all?
No, not really. I can actually push it a little bit in the pool.
Adrian Baxter says he's feeling a whole lot better since he was recently treated for AFib.
I think generally I have just more energy, a lot more energy, and when you're dealing with kids, low energy can be can be catastrophic.
Adrian is both a music teacher and a talented performer. He's normally attuned to the beat of a jazz riff, not so much to the physical workings of his heart. Those who suffer from AFib often complain of fatigue, weakness, dizziness, and shortness of breath, sometimes chest pain. But AFib can be far more dangerous than that, even deadly.
It increases the risk of blood clots forming in the top chambers of the heart, which can then dislodge, go to the brain, and cause a stroke.
So it's not something you want to let go untreated, although Adrian says he did because he had no health insurance.
I would never dare go to the doctor for fear of massive economic annihilation.
Eventually, Adrian signed up for the Oregon Health Plan, saw a doctor, and got his diagnosis.
AFib is a disorganized heart rhythm problem in the top chambers of the heart.
Doctors tried several ways of treating his racing heartbeat. Finally, they did a minimally invasive procedure called an ablation. The procedure scars or destroys the tissue that's allowing crazy electrical signals to cause an abnormal heartbeat. Feeling a whole lot better now, Adrian's ready to jam. Marilyn Deutsch, Good Day, Oregon.